So if you're looking to get amazing videos like this, it is called floating objects. It could actually help you get the best get ready with me videos. It could help you get videos where you want to make choices. It could also help you get videos where you're probably trying to pick the right answer to something. So they're very simple and easy to do. I'm just going to show you how I did that with the cloth and how I did that with the perfume too. And I know you've not forgotten that I love to teach in a layman's understanding. So trust me, this tutorial will be your best you've watched on this. And if you're new to my channel, this is Chisom Belinda. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep supporting my channel by liking, commenting, and also you can tell me what you want to see, what you want to learn in probably my subsequent videos. So let us get right into it without wasting much time. So here is it. These are the perfumes I'll be using. I already snapped them at the balcony. These are the perfumes I'll be using for this video. I already snapped them at the balcony, and then I already made the videos where I'm swiping like this. Okay, this is the video where I'm swiping, and then one when I pick the cloth into my body, and then this is the other one where I swiped until I picked the perfume. So I acted like I picked the perfume, and then this is me doing the same effect, like I grabbed the perfume with the perfume. So it's very easy. Let's get right into Capcut app and do exactly what I did. So getting right into the Capcut app, I'll go first of all, I'm going to begin with the perfume. I'll go first of all to pick the video where I was swiping till I picked the perfume, which is which is this video. This is the one where I swiped till I picked the perfume. Yep. So I'm going to add it into that. So I love to touch up my videos, like I have a tutorial on this channel where I showed how I retouch my videos. So I won't really want to go deep into it here, but you can watch the video. I will drop it in the comment section. Okay, this is all I do where you touch up your videos. This is how I touch up my videos. If you catch it here, fine. If you can't catch it here, then you'd have to go right into that tutorial where I show details on how I do that step by step, so that I don't waste time on this particular video, because this is not what I came to show you how to do. So guys, my video looks clean, right? So go check the tutorial. Go check the tutorial later. So now here is it. I have this. So the first I want to do is bring in the first perfume as an overlay. So I'll just go to my overlay. Let's see. Do I like where I started from? Let me make it start from. Okay, it's fine. Let's go to overlay. Go to overlay, add overlay. I'll go to photos. I'll pick in the first perfume I want to use, which is mascara. Okay, don't mind me, I'm a perfume lover though. I'll add it up. Can you see this background? You just scroll while it's still highlighted. You scroll down to remove BG. Click on it. Click on auto removal. Look at that. It removed it immediately. Good. Then now I want to move it to wherever I want it. I want to increase the size to, so don't mind me, you can always put it somewhere here if you don't want to use somewhere here, but I just feel here is best for me and my video. So put it where you feel makes it cool. Then the next I want to do is do the in animation. So let's start with the in animation. I would want it to slide up, like coming, like it's the first instance comes like a slide up. So where do we have something like a slide up? Okay, slide up. Now this is it. This is exactly what I did. Then it slides up, then you watch it till you want to swipe. When it gets where your hand did, like you want to swipe, you pause there, and then you have the next overlay. Let us use the stellar. I'm going to add it. I'll do the same thing, which is removing background, auto removal. Good. Then I want to move it to the same spot the other perfume is. Increase it. Then instead of doing the slide up in animation here, I would rather do a slide right, so it comes in just exactly to the same spot. Then I'll go to the previous one, the previous perfume, and add an out animation. Slide right, slide right. So let us see what it looks like. Don't forget, you can always adjust. See, look at this. I don't like it. Okay, so that means we have to do an adjustment of when the hand slides. So I want to move the other perfume so it feels just right. So let's see how it goes. No, I don't feel okay with it, so I'll go to the first one, and because it left too early, I will have to increase this. I'll have to lengthen it a bit. Let's see how it goes this time around. Okay, go to the animation, the out animation, increase this. Now let's see how it goes. Okay, so you've adjusted these. You would want to bring in the next, which is this. So let's go to this. Click on animation, click on out animation, and slide right. Look at that. So this is it. So you keep bringing in the next. At this point, as we've done before, I'll go to photos as usual, which was the next I used. Let's just use this one. Go to remove the BG, remove auto removal, remove the background. Good. You would want to move it to the same spot as we've done before. Increase the size a little bit, and then your animation, in animation, slide right as we've been doing. Pop, 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 slide right. Good. So let's see how it looks before we do the out animation. So this is it. Okay. And just in time, we'll move, check for where the hand started, deciding to swipe, and then click on it. Go to animation, out animation, slide right. Okay, let's see how it looks before we go to the next. That's perfect. And the next one to do is, so I don't really want to go far. I'll just get right to the last where I probably picked the perfume. So let's just do this. Crop this out, and then I'll bring in the overlay. Don't forget, if you notice where I'm dropping the overlays on top of each other somewhat way, so you just follow how your video goes. So then add overlay, get in the one I picked, which is this, get it in, go to remove.bg, auto removal, you move, good, you move it to the point where that one left, and you might want to increase it or not, adjust it properly, it's at the right place. So the next you want to do is do animation, in animation, slide right to position that. Let's go. Okay, now this is the point where I want to pick the perfume, so I'll lengthen it to where I picked the perfume. Let's see how that goes. Good. Now the next I want to do is from this point, I'll cut the video and go straight to where I did the same effects, picking the perfume splits. So now this is it. This was so easy, right? Now look at that, so perfect. So this is very easy to get, and that is the same way we also did the other one for the cloth video. I wouldn't want to bore you, but with using the same template you can get the other one. Now the only thing that that one requires is shooting a different video where I showed myself wear the dress, which is this particular video where I wore the dress. That is all. So you just know where to add it. So guys, this is a very quick and easy tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to, as usual, drop a like this video, drop a comment, tell me what you liked about this video and what you want to share in my next tutorial. And don't forget to also say thank you, the video was amazing. Love you all, and see you in my next video. Belinda.